politics at all. It's to inform Americans, simply Americans. It's to provide them an unbiased threat analysis report that they can trust, if that makes sense. So I use the military contacts that I have and the open source intelligence that I'm able to gather, and with the contacts that multiple people have, right? All of us know an officer that's now a captain in the Navy, which would be an 06, or a colonel in the Marine Corps, which is an 06. Or maybe they're even an admiral now. Maybe they're even a general now. We served with them, okay? When we were junior enlisted, when we were NCOs. Some of those individuals came under the leadership of people like me, okay? When they were young second lieutenants. And now they're in very, very, very important positions. And the bonds that you build in combat will last. They last. And I have that channel because I am deeply scared for the United States, for every citizen. And that's the reason I know that good people will be out there, because I know good people. I know people right now that are sacrificing everything, and I mean everything, every cent. They're sacrificing homelessness, they are sacrificing everything just to get a message to Americans that we pray that they'll listen to on both sides. I'm risking it all as well, and I don't care. I was in a nonprofit prior, basically, to about 6-7 months ago, when I started to notice some things and started to speak to people that know more than I do. And I made a lot of money. I made close to $200 grand a year, and I just stopped. And I have completely dedicated my life to a channel that doesn't make any money, doesn't make a cent, but it puts out actual, factual, real information. And any American can actually go there and look at real info that has been vetted the same way military intelligence would gather information. But it's just being done with open sources, and we're not taking classified information. We're just putting together what is the truth. And it doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter if my friend is Republican or my friend is Democrat. They're both giving me the same truth, right? And when these truths start to repeat, and I hear this across the group of friends that I have, because we all reach out, right? We then put together a report. And that report becomes what we put out in news. Anyway, I hope you all have a great night. And I'm sorry I left that out of the first video. And I will dive more into it. I really appreciate the audience. Small channel. But I appreciate all the love and the comments so far. It means a lot, especially in a time when you kind of feel like you're all by yourself. It means a lot, genuinely, because I want to help. So when I get a comment from somebody that says they appreciate the video or learned something from the video, I get emotional every time, right? Because I feel like, hey,